Let's see how a pilot controls the aircraft and maneuvers it. In the cockpit, pilots can apply control inputs to steer and maneuver the aircraft with the help of the control column, the rudder pedals, and the trip. The control column, or simply called a yoke, appears a lot like a steering wheel of a car. But unlike the steering wheel of a car, the yoke can not only move left and right, but it can also move forward and backward as well. With this control column, both pitching and rolling is achieved. By moving it forward and backward, the elevator of the aircraft is actuated and the aircraft pitches up or down. Moving it to the left or right, a bit like using a steering wheel in a car, actuates the ailerons and the aircraft rolls left or right. Moving the rudder pedals by feet actuates the rudder and yaws the aircraft left or right. A bank is accomplished by combining the roll and the yaw together